I am part of some garden groups on Facebook, and I have a local one in my town, and someone put out an invite to have like a garden party where she's going to show off her garden to us. And she invited a bunch of us, so a bunch of us are showing up, and she promised that we're each going to get like a bouquet of flowers when we get ready to leave. And I can't wait to show you what her garden looks like. I'm hoping she can, I'm hoping she will let me take pictures. On the deck, the host had these beautiful canna lilies. Oh, look at the zinnias. Just love these. So many pretty things. Ooh, look at that. And in general, look at that in the back. As I saw interesting color flowers like these cone flowers, I took pictures of them. I always see the pink or white ones. These are the orange or peach colored ones. She did have most of her plants and flowers labeled, which was fantastic. She had this water feature as a focal point in the back of the garden, and of course I looked to see if there was fish in it. She had a beautiful rose bush on a trellis, and this is the side garden next to the garage. This was the view from the back of the yard looking toward the house, and there you can see the deck. She also had a bit of whimsy in the garden. I just love this yellow bicycle. And this fun little gnome. She had lots of color and rare and unusual plants. Yes, that is a birdhouse hiding back there. There was so much to look at and appreciate. It was hard to take pictures and get a good look at all the flowers. This was another fun feature of the garden. She had these tall stakes with the plates on them. It was the perfect time with all these flowers blooming to come over and tour her garden. Another unusual plant, and the pollinators just loved it. This is the back side of the garage. She had this feature also that said, "May peace prevail on earth." I think all gardeners kind of think that. Not only did the bees love this plant, but so did the butterflies. All I know is it was not a butterfly bush. I don't know the name of it. She also had some raspberry bushes in the back. I also spied this little bee motel. These are some of my favorite dainty little yellow flowers. I have got to get some to put in my garden. Here is a whole kaleidoscope of the cone flowers, or echinacea. Here's another color of echinacea. I tried to get a good picture of this butterfly, but it kept closing its wings right as I would take the picture. Here I tried again, and again the wings were closed. It was so pretty. Last year I had a cosmos plant, and I didn't get one this year, and now I see this one and I really want to get one next year. We also had some treats, and she even made shortbread cookies with lavender in it, and her sister made zucchini bars. This is a green twister echinacea, also known as a coneflower. She used these little stakes with a label maker for labeling her plants. She also used knives that she had gotten at a thrift store. My balloon flower actually got yanked out by mistake by my husband thinking it was a weed. Here's one of those thrifted knives with a label on it. And here is another echinacea, and this one's called Green Jewel. Just when I thought I saw all the garden, there was more to see. Once everybody had toured around, we all got on the deck and we each got to speak and tell about what kind of gardening we did or how long we've been gardeners, just our story in general. And as gardeners, we always have to have a sense of humor. When we all first arrived at the garden party / garden tour, we were told to pick a number. At some point during the party, she pulled the numbers out, then we could go to a table and pick out a plant of our choice to take home with us. I picked up the Black-Eyed Susan. So this is a nice perennial. I can't wait to get this in the ground. I got to figure out where I want to put it. I think I might put it on my side of my house where I'm working on that garden. As we were leaving, we were each allowed to take a plant. They were all mints of all kinds. There was chocolate mint, spearmint, regular peppermint, and this one was orange mint. I had never heard of orange mint, and I thought, oh, I have to have that. I do have some regular mint growing in my garden, so I will have to find a spot for this as well. I want to have this closer to my other plant, but not too close. I don't want to get them mixed up. There are lots of gardening videos on my channel. Make sure to check out all the playlists for the veggie garden and the flower gardens. I also go on all kinds of travel adventures. Thanks for watching.